should I buy Holochain? Can Holochain is good for investment, and in June can Holochain will give you a good profit, and this month? Absolutely, these type question absolutely all holder asking in those days, because my brother in the last month all crypto market is very badly falls down. So therefore I think this question is going to be very good now. So before I get started this brand video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Let's get started this brand video. My brother, Holochain, one of the fastest coin, my brother, especially falls down from last 1 month, my brother, especially not just last 1 month. You can see here after April very huge jump. You can see here after April, you can see at this time they falls down continuously, falls down. You know, so a lot of holders tell me this is very garbage coin. I think we no need, my brothers, to invest more. I think we are all holders boycott, my friends, for a Holochain, because you know when cryptocurrencies falls down, absolutely all holders starting investment, and the holders starting investing, then they falls down very fastly. So my brother, the main reason is that today falls down in the last 30, not just 30, my friend, last 60 days they falls down. The main reason is that to after a huge jump, my friend, every cryptocurrency falls down. Remember, this time you can see here, if you want to see the Shiba coin result, so exactly Shibanu is one of the fastest coin, my friend. Shiba, I know, my friend, is very huge, take a very huge jump in this month, especially in the last May, my friend, especially take a very huge jump, but after that, my friend, they falls down very fastly. So it's 100% sure, my brothers, to after a jump they falls down. So it's mean, my brothers, you can see how after this jump they falls down. But don't see, my friends, these short jump, these short fails. If you invest for a long time, absolutely don't see. But if you invest for a short time, exactly, my brother, you can see here, I think after a fail, every crypto is going to take a very huge jump. So it's mean to after this fail, absolutely the good jump is in the soon. It's mean to in the June, my brother, they will give you very good profit. Alright, if we check out the last 3 days chart, then we understand, my brother, there is a chance to they will move upward or not, my brother. So kindly subscribe this channel. This time you can see here they are loading, so you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So the Holochain last 3 days chart is on the screen, and they completely in the positive, and you can see here plus 6.07%. the price is increased now, plus 0.00914 USD dollar is the latest price, my friend, of the Holochain. It's 100%, my friend, give you, my brother, 100% sure to in upcoming cap there's more chances they will move upward, because if you can see, my brother, after this short fails, you can see here they take a very huge jump. You can see here they take a very huge jump. So it's 100% possible risk to upcoming time they completely go in the moon now. So if we check out the last 1 hour chart, then exactly this chart is also going to be positive. So you need to invest more and more, and absolutely if you invest, then absolutely they will give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.